Guys, before we get into what this video is all about, I'd like you to know that I'm being overworked. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this is my weekend and I've been asked to work. Remember that episode? WTF is climate change? With Bhumi, Merik, Navroz and Sunita ji. Remember in that episode they decided to partner with a non-profit that works in the climate sector? Well, I've come here to see what that non-profit does. I had to leave Bangalore to Bombay, Bombay to Delhi, and Delhi to now this place. Like man, so much travel. It's insane. Where are we now?
Welcome to Manali, sir.
Oh, thank you. It's not that Manali that you think it is. Just because I'm in Manali doesn't mean I'm not working. I'm being overworked. These mountains, they're ruining my sunset. I feel claustrophobic. And then if you can add work over here and then you can add life over there and you can be like balance. Ha! Bigi bagi jigi dali. This is a work trip for me, so I'm not enjoying. But unlike me, most of you guys show up to the Himalayas for the views, for the vibes, and for the weather. Often leaving behind so much trash. You think these mountains are beautiful? I'm going to show you how beautiful they are. How beautiful they are. That's a lot of trash in case you didn't see it. So Rakshan, Sam and I are going to be spending a day at Himalayas with the team of Healing Himalayas, trying to understand how bad the problem is of waste management in the Himalayas. Joining me today is Mr. Pradeep Sangwan ji. Hi boss.
Hello.
Kaise hain aap?
Awesome.
Thank you so much for hosting us. And congratulations for winning the WTF Climate Fund.
It was good fun.
What are we doing today?
We are going for a 6 to 7 kilometers hike, wherein we'll collect all the trash along the way.
एक मिनट मुझे trash साफ करने को कहा 6-7 किलोमीटर का hike नहीं बोला गया था.
Yes, ये surprise था.
We're going to be spotting trash firstly.
Yes.
Then identifying trash and then cleaning it.
Yes, yes.
And that trash will then go to
Our facility, which is material recovery facility. That's where we will further segregate it. And after segregation, we'll compress it, bale it, and then transport it for recycling. We'll show you that also.
Okay, lovely, 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 lovely. We have Rakshan Kalmadi with us, who is a researcher of the WTF podcast. Very cool guy, very smart guy. What are you doing today over here?
So Healing Himalayas is an initiative that cleans up garbage in the Himalayan mountains. Healing Himalayas is trying to bring a circular economy of waste management that is done in Manali itself.
Okay, so what's happening here, guys? What are we doing today?
We're picking up trash to heal Himalayas.
What?
We're picking up trash to heal Himalayas.
What do you do for Healing Himalayas?
I'm volunteering.
You're volunteering? How long have you been volunteering for?
Since yesterday.
Spot these interns, these volunteers who just need a certificate for their 5th semester. Arey, I thought it's clean. It's not clean yet. Sorry, my privileged ass. Brother, there's a pamper in there.
Get it.
Brother. Get it. Brother, we're drawing a line at some point. Brother. There's a pamper in there. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Brother. Oh, brother. Yo, intern, here's a pamper. How can you throw pampers, man? But see, why is a kid going on the hike? I have too many questions, but I will just peacefully clean. Hi there. How are you?
How are you, boys?
Cutie boys. तो क्या कचरा देख के आप खुश होते हैं कि नाराज होते हैं?
ये होना पड़ेगा कि लोगों को अवेयर होना चाहिए फेंकने से पहले. गाड़ी में ट्रैवल कर रहा हो तो हम गाड़ी रोक के भी बोल देते हैं कि थैंक यू रे यार.
कचरा फेंकने का एजुकेशन से कोई लेना देना है?
एजुकेशन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
फेंकने वाला फेंक
बहुत पढ़े लिखे लोग भी ऐसा ही कर रहे हैं.
Well, look who we have here. We have a bunch of school kids from Manali Public School joining us to heal Himalayas. Hi.
बहुत दूर से है आपका इंटरव्यू लेने सबका.
बहुत दूर से आया हूँ मैं. 4 किलोमीटर दूर से आया हूँ. क्या नाम है आपका?
Pari.
क्या करने आई हैं आप?
Clean.
Clean.
Bye bye. Tata.
भाग क्यों गई? The senior students. I will ask the boys. Okay, boys. School miss करने के लिए तुम लोग कुछ भी करोगे. तो मुझे ये बताओ, what are we doing today?
We are cleaning.
How will we clean?
डस्ट को चेकेंगे, कचरा जो भी होगा यहाँ पर
चेकेंगे?
हाँ, उठाएंगे.
हाँ, उठाएंगे. Yes, let's go. ये ले पकड़ प्लास्टिक. चलो 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 लगो काम पे. Let's go. चलिए चलिए चलिए. नहीं अरे अरे. It's everywhere. Oh boy, bro, that's a hot spot. Bro, Sam, look at this.
Oh my God.
हाँ सुना दीजिए.
ये पहाड़ों में तो गाना वैसे भी निकल जाता है इंसान का.
तो प्रदीप जी, हमने आज सुबह में पूरा कचरा कलेक्ट किया. So I want to ask you a few things, which basically establish why you have done this, how you came here.
मैं ओरिजिनली हरियाणा से.
Okay.
और कॉलेज के बाद एक्सप्लोर करते करते पहुंच गए यहाँ पे. But then I decided to sort of settle down in Manali. मेरा फर्स्ट जो बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था दैट वाज विद दी शेपर्ड कम्युनिटी. भेड़ बकरी चराने वाले लोग, हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड. जिस हिसाब से वो इतने हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड पे पहुंचते थे मेहनत करके. अभी कोई कांगड़ा से आता है, कोई हमीरपुर से आता है, कोई लोअर बेल्ट से आता है. महीनों वो चलते रहते हैं, पहुँचते हैं. और पूरे इस जर्नी में, पूरे इस प्रोसेस में उनका जो फुटप्रिंट है वो ऑलमोस्ट जीरो होता है. ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी एक जो सडन बूम था एडवेंचर टूरिज्म का, उसमें जो यंगस्टर्स आ रहे थे उनका जो फुटप्रिंट था वो बहुत मैसिव था. सो ये बहुत डिस्पैरिटी थी. मैंने दोनों चीज़ों को एक्सपीरियंस किया और उसके बीच का एक रास्ता निकालने की कोशिश की. एंड दैट्स वेयर दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हीलिंग हिमालयस केम इनटू लाइफ. कई बार लड़ाई झगड़े भी होते हैं, हमारे गांव वाले हमें भगाते भी हैं गांव से, कि बोलते हैं कि हमें हमारे गांव में कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर, आपके इस प्रोजेक्ट की वजह से बदबू आएगी, है ना, मक्खियाँ हो जाएंगी, टूरिज्म कम हो जाएगा. वो सब चीज़ों का डर है. उसको कैसे धीरे धीरे स्विच करवा के ये दिखाना है कि वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट की एक और दूसरी साइड है.
चलिए फिर चलते हैं फिर आपके रिकवरी सेंटर में. डन, लेट्स गो.
MRF is a material recovery facility, waste collection center, sorting center,
Okay.
resource recovery center. So there are multiple names to it. And what we do here is once the waste is collected, we bring it to the site. These are glass bottles. That's RDF. That's PET plastic bottle. This is the baling machine, ready to transport.
And this will go into a truck?
Yeah, once we have 7 tons of material, 7 to 8 tons of recyclable material or also non-recyclable material, we send it out for recycling. We discuss about the first phase wherein we engage with the communities, organize cleaning drives. Second phase is to set up these facilities, build the capacity of waste collection, storage, and then segregation. But now in the third phase, what we would like to do is we want to set up recycling centers within a district. So Kullu has the highest footfall of tourism in Himachal Pradesh. And that's where we want to set up a recycling unit so that whatever we collect can be recycled here only and can be reused within the district only. Please do not litter. It's one of the easiest thing one can do.
Well, this brings us to the end of our video. As you have seen what Healing Himalayas has been doing for Healing Himalayas, the way they have been preserving our mountains. I hope one day we can all come together at a net zero score and save our mountains just like Healing Himalayas. And with this, I'd like to thank Bhumi, Navroz, Mirik, Sunita, and finally Nikhil Kamath. Thank you, Healing Himalayas! Thank you, WTF! Oh my God, मेरा body का cleanse हो गया. What do you call a parking where you park next to the trees?
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
Brother, there is a khai in there. There's a khai. खाई मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ से गलती से भी इधर उधर गया, मैं सीधा ना बचेगा हीलिंग ना बचेगा हिमालय. What?